again! Just as I turn the camera on! What is... What the heck? They just changed their tone, dude. That one's going out for sure. Oh my gosh. I don't even live in this building. This is not my building. But I was out for a late night walk just to get my wiggles out, which I know I shouldn't be doing. Let me put my headphones on because they're like the only microphone I have. Okay, that's the fire department. Okay. I do not know what happened. This is for you, Andrew. I know you love this kind of stuff. Andrew's my ex. Look at that. Keeping the camera down because I don't know if these people want to be filmed or anything. And they're resetting. Yeah, there's definitely something going on. There it is again. It just keeps... I'm going to go around to the other side, cut some of the other alarms. This is bad. If there's a real fire, I want to know because I am concerned about my community. Then again, I do not smell any smoke, so... They just keep going off. I'm just glad this isn't my building. Hey, officer, check all the pull stations. Check all the pull stations. Maybe someone accidentally bumped into it. Yeah, this is a concern. What the heck?
We've lived here 10 years and it's never done.
Yeah, the cover came off from the rain.
This is crazy. What happened?
Well, the cover was off.
Yeah?
And all the rain. See how it's all wet inside?
Oh my gosh, it's a water malfunction. So that's it. Okay.
So we'll start with that.
I'm sorry. I'm a fire alarm enthusiast. I'm sorry.
Not a lot of room up here, so.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stand back. Yeah, guys, this is why you don't let water get into your control panels. I actually own a few fire alarms, so I know about this kind of stuff. I don't know what you're gonna do about it. Are you gonna like have to replace those batteries or something? Like the... Yeah. Sorry, I'm just a concerned citizen. I don't know how the cover got off.
That thing falls off all the time.
Yeah. I'll write an email, and then we'll go from there. That doesn't guarantee anything's going to get done. I would make some noise to your HOA or, you know, whoever the person is that runs all this stuff.
Yeah.
This is crazy. There's actually another control panel in that building. I saw bees coming out of it. I think, the fire alarm hasn't gone off or anything, but I think that if there's a beehive in there, that one's gonna be next. At some point. Well, I'm just glad everything's okay. Good dog over there. Don't worry, guys. It's just the control panel's waterlogged.
Okay.
Yeah, it was raining earlier, and cover fell off, so water got into it, and that's why all this happened. It's malfunctioning. Electrical problem. This is. Thanks, guys. They are taking off finally. I can get back home. I could barely, like, I was in my home. I was all the way on the other side by the clubhouse, and I literally.
Wait, is it happening over there too?
No, it's just like, I could hear the fire alarms, and I woke up in the middle of the night just trying to make a snack, and all of a sudden I heard like a really soft, and I realized it was the fire alarm somewhere, so I came over here.
Fuck, you're like super cool. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I have autism, so that means my senses are really heightened.
Oh.
Yeah, people with autism, they can have like really sensitive ears. I'm one of them.
That's supersonic.
Well, you're definitely glad that it was not the building that was going off that you were living in. 'Cause
Yeah,
would have
that
definitely
that
hurt.
would be even worse.
Yeah.
I think now my ears sensitive.
Oh my god, that was so loud. Like I was dead.
It would have been even louder for me.
Yeah.
Take that shit in
What was that?
Go back in.
Well, we appreciate it. Thank
Sorry
you
for the
so
inconvenience.
much.
Water got in the panel. The front of the panel came off, and the rain got in there. So I would talk to maybe your property manager and tell them that it needs to be addressed so it doesn't happen again.
What should they do if it goes off again?
Call 911.
We appreciate it. Thanks. Have a good
You
night.
guys, hopefully you guys sleep better.
Thank God no one's burning.
Yeah. Yeah. Well,
Guys. All right. Have a good night.
you too. I'm going home. I am going home.